Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply check IMEI detail in itel phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are free new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here, open my phone settings. Then on getting to your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to simply come to System at the bottom right here. Click on System. Open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down to About Phone. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Here we go. So if your phone is a dual SIM phone, you will be given to IMEI number. So the first one is here. So you can see the IMEI number, and then you can simply click on the second one, which is this one right here. Alternatively, you can also come to your dial pad on your phone. What you need to do is to simply click on phone icon right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply dial *06#. And in a few seconds, your IMEI number is going to display. Just like what you see right here, the first IMEI number and the second IMEI number. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to check IMEI number detail in itel phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.